Hi guys, so today in this video I'll read an article for you and I will break down this article from the language perspective, be it vocabulary, collocation, idioms, phrases, phrasal verbs, grammar, punctuation, or any other aspect of a language. So we'll be looking into it. So let us look at this recent article which reads Delhi police clear iconic Shaheen Bagh protest site amid COVID-19 outbreak, road to be open after 3 months. So first of all, we have to see the word iconic and understand how it is used and in which context it can be used and why this protest is being referred as an iconic. Here the word iconic means something which is very popular, very famous, because as you know this protest was in limelight ever since it is started, so that is why it is being referred as iconic one. If we read further, so there is a word amid. Okay, amid means among or amongst. It can be used in the same context, means surrounded by someone, okay, or something, you can say. Amid COVID-19 outbreak. So outbreak means something which happens all of a sudden when there is an increment in something. So as there were a lot of cases coming in light of coronavirus, so that is why it is being referred as outbreak. Road to be opened after 3 months. Now when we start reading it, okay, Muslim women have been on a sit in. Sit in means like protest only, okay, when somebody is on dharna, so that is called sit in. The Delhi police cleared the near empty Shaheen Bagh protest site on Tuesday. Now the word Tuesday, see, when you write any day or any month, so you write it with capitalized first letter, okay, which is T here in this case, Tuesday. If it is Monday, so M will be certainly capital, or if you write January, February, March, so you will have to write it capital. Bringing curtains down, this is a phrase. Basically, bringing curtains down means to wrap something up or to sum something up. That is called bringing curtains down, to call off something, to stop something. On the 3 month old agitation. Now 3 month old, okay, this is one word particularly, but they are hyphenated. Hyphenated means there is hyphen in between. It has become an adjective now. 3 month old agitation. Agitation is something which is causing some kind of violence, some kind of argument, okay, led by Muslim women. Led is the third form of the verb lead. Led by Muslim women against the contentious, okay, contentious citizen. Contentious means, something which is causing lot of arguments, or which is causing problems, commotion, or chaos, so that is contentious. Like we also use bone of contention. So contention is noun, so it is in the same, it comes from the same family word. If we read it further, so there is the crowd at the usually bustling tent. Bustling is really busy, or where there is a lot of noise as well. So that is bustling tent had been scaled down to 5 protesters on Sunday. So scale down means to bring it down to 5 protesters on Sunday. Again, Sunday you can see S is used as capital, marking a symbolic presence. The protesters, symbolic presence. Symbolic presence means, which really made an impact. Okay, so which actually caught attention. That is symbolic presence. The protester had left their slippers and sandals at the site. We are not ending the protest, come what may. Come what may means in any situation, in any circumstances, we are not going to do it. So that is come what may. Okay. In Hindi we say chahe jo bhi ho jaye. And we can also use two other phrases which will give the same meaning, and they are bit more advanced than this. So the first phrase is come rain or shine, or come hell or high water. So we can also use these two phrases in place of come what may. Let us not misunderstand the word adopted. Adopted means, accepted. We adopted this type of protest for the day, means we were ready to take it in. So there is another word adapt, which is bit similar. Okay, so adapt adept is skilled. Somebody is skilled at something, like suppose you say he is adept at classical music, classical songs. Okay, now adapt and adopt both are different words. One of the organizers, this is very very important to take a note of in the context of grammar. One of the, whenever we say one of the something, so we always use a plural noun. Okay, organizers, not organizer, that will be wrong, of the protest had said on Sunday. So this is all about the recent news article which we broke down. So see you soon in another video, and I'll be coming up with new article for you guys. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.